How do you know when a keyword should be moved to another campaign and what's the right way to do it? You would know when you got the positive result that you're expecting, that the keyword works well for you. When would you move it? A different campaign would be if it is not in an exact match. Probably that's when you would move it in a different campaign to have it in an exact match. Because if a non-exact match works for you, by non-exact I mean maybe it's in an auto campaign, in a broad match, in a phrase match campaign, category targeting campaign, or a product expanded match campaign. So if it generates at least 5 sales per month, that is our minimum usually, then we would be creating its own campaign in exact match. Now, really important because there's so much information about this that is wrong information. And by wrong information, I mean, we tried it, it does not work. I'm here to tell you, disclaimer, you can do it on your own, see the results, but I would not advise it. And this is after spending 5 million in ad spend, so just feedback there. What you should never do is pause that keyword within the original campaign that generated the sale. A reason for that is that you expect that you have the most control possible now that you created your exact match campaign, which yes, you have the most control possible. But what you don't have performance history, you don't have everything what went well for that keyword in that campaign. If you want to duplicate the same success, I'm totally fine with moving it into its own campaign, dedicating its own budget, but never pause the keyword in the campaign that you added into. Let me know if that helped.